When you upload a video to YouTube, is it asking you, is this video made for kids every single time? In this video, we're going to learn how to set it to one of the answers so that you do not have to answer this question every single time. After you log into YouTube Studio, go over to the left where it says Settings. And then go to Channel. Go to Advanced Settings. Under Audience, you see three options. Right now, my channel is set to I want to review this setting for every video, so that's why it's asking me every single time. Now, my channel is not made for kids, so I'm going to go ahead and choose No, set this channel as not made for kids. I almost never upload content that's made for kids. This way, it's not going to ask me to answer the question every single time. If your channel is made for kids, then you can select the first one. After you have made your choice, click Save. And that's it. Next time you upload a video, it's not going to ask you the question again.